Bryant School District is making a positive change in the way we report student progress to parents. In the 2014-15 school year, we will report information about K-2 students using an updated standards-based report card. The standards and scale for reporting have been modified and will clarify what students know and are able to do for each reporting period. Third grade will join the grades that use standards-based reporting in the 2014-15 school year, followed by the fourth grade in 2015-16 and fifth grade in 2016-17. Let's take a look at what changes are being made and how this will help parents better understand their child's progress in school. For the past several years, we have been implementing Common Core standards, which are designed to make sure our students not only have the academic content they need, but also the critical thinking skills required for the 21st century. So what is standards-based reporting? Standards-based reporting is based on a specific set of standards or skills that students need to learn at each grade level. The marks that students receive are not a comparison of one student to another, but rather a way to measure how well students are doing on grade-level standards. Here is an example of a first-grade math standard. 1.OA.1. Use addition and subtraction within 20 to solve a variety of word problems by using objects, drawings, and equations. How does it look in the classroom? Here is an example of a first-grade literacy standard. RL.1.10 Read and comprehend complex literary tests independently and proficiently. How does it look in the classroom? All students are expected to meet or exceed the standards and are given many opportunities to show that they are proficient in that standard. So, let's take a look at the three main changes on how we report your child's learning in school. For math and literacy, the standards are organized into categories or groups of related skills. In the past, everything your child knew about each subject was combined into one grade. No longer will your child receive only one letter grade for each subject. Now you will receive specific information on your child's proficiency with each standard. Students are evaluated using a specific grade-level rubric or scoring guide for each report card standard. Each rubric shows the specific behaviors required for mastery of the standard. Because students learn at different rates, rubric scoring allows a teacher to pinpoint where a student is on his way to mastering the standard. Student performance will be reported using new scoring indicators 3, 2, 1, and E. These markings are in no way similar to the traditional A through F grades. Let's look at the indicators and what each one means. A score of 3 indicates that a student demonstrates the standard independently and meets grade-level expectations for that standard. A parent should expect to see a 3 when the student is successfully performing that standard at grade level. Early in the year, 3s may be less common as students will need time to master the standard. A score of 2 indicates that a student demonstrates grade-level expectations with support and is progressing toward grade-level expectations. A parent should expect to see a 2 when the student is not able to successfully show mastery of the standard independently, but may be able to with support, or may show mastery of simpler content. For example, the student may be able to show mastery of prerequisite skills leading to the standard. A score of 1 indicates that grade-level expectations are not demonstrated at the time of the reporting and should be considered a concern. A parent should expect to see a 1 when a student cannot demonstrate mastery of a standard even with support. A score of E indicates that a student exceeds grade-level expectations. In addition to mastering the grade-level standard, to receive an E, a student must demonstrate in-depth inferences and applications beyond what was taught. Exceeding is not the equivalent of an A on a traditional report card. An E is a rare exception where the student not only demonstrates mastery of the grade-level standard, but also repeatedly demonstrates mastery of the aligned standard for the next grade level. For those standards that don't align to the next grade, a student will not have the opportunity to earn an E. Please note, E, 3, 2, and 1 are not equal to A, B, C, and D. If you see NA in a box on the report card, that means that this standard is not assessed during this marking period. When you look at the report card, you see shaded and unshaded boxes. Unshaded boxes indicate that a mark is required during that 9 weeks. Your child will receive a 1, 2, 3, or E in all of the unshaded boxes in each 9 weeks. A shaded box indicates that a mark is not required for that marking period. If your child did not receive at least a 3 on any standard in a 9 weeks where a mark is required, he or she will be assessed again at the end of the next marking period, even if the standard is shaded. Another feature on the report card for K2 is your child's reading level. The report card will include a chart which indicates the independent reading level that is expected at the end of each 9 weeks. Parents can compare their child's independent reading level to the targets on the chart. In this example, a first grade student is reading at an independent level 6. The reading target chart shows that the student has met the reading level expectation for the first 9 weeks. In summary, we've discussed 3 major changes in the way we will report student progress. First, the report card will report progress on multiple standards in math and literacy instead of compiling all scores together for one letter grade. Second, all marks will be determined using a standardized rubric or scoring guide. Third, grades will be reported using new scoring indicators 3, 2, 1, and E. If you need more information, please visit with school staff or visit our website at www.bryantschools.org.